Welcome back to Baby to Child. Today we're taking a close look at the hand2mind Cuisenaire Rods, a classic educational tool designed to help kids grasp math concepts from the ground up. This set features 74 plastic rods in 10 distinct colors, each varying in length from 1 centimeters up to 10 centimeters. The idea is simple but effective. These rods visually represent numbers and relationships between them, making abstract math ideas like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, fractions, and even geometry a bit more tangible for young learners. Now, I've spent some time working with these rods during hands-on math sessions with kids, and I can tell you they're pretty straightforward to set up and use. Kids seem naturally drawn to the colors and the tactile feel of the rods, which definitely helps keep their attention. The color coding is consistent, so it's easy to recognize which length corresponds to which number, and that visual consistency makes a huge difference when moving from counting to more complex operations, like fractions or patterns. They worked well for everything from simple addition to exploring ratios and symmetry, which is impressive given the product's simplicity. Midway here. If you're finding this review useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more honest baby and child product insights. Trust me, it helps us keep bringing you the stuff that really matters. Back to it. The rods are lightweight and durable, thanks to the plastic construction, which is a plus for frequent handling by little hands. The smooth finish means no sharp edges or splinters, unlike some wooden alternatives. One downside, though, is that the plastic can feel a bit slippery, which might make stacking or lining up rods a tad tricky for some kids initially. Also, there's no storage container included, so you'll want to find a good box or bag to keep everything organized. Value-wise, these rods sit in the mid-price range compared to other counting tools. Given their versatility in teaching a wide range of math topics and their durability, they offer reasonable bang for your buck. If you're looking for a long-term, multi-purpose math aid that grows with your child's understanding, these rods can be worth the investment. Compared to similar products, like wooden Cuisenaire rods or foam versions, hand2mind's plastic rods feel more durable and easier to clean, which matters when kids inevitably get hands-on and maybe a bit messy. Wooden rods might feel more natural and warmer to the touch, but they can chip or splinter, and foam versions don't offer the same precise length differences, which are critical for grasping certain concepts. The build quality is solid here. The rods feel sturdy, colors are vibrant, and the lengths are accurate, which is essential for this kind of educational use. Since these rods don't have any electronics or software, there's no need to worry about updates or tech support. And speaking of support, hand2mind generally has a solid reputation for customer service, though I didn't have to reach out myself during my time with this product. If budget is tight, some wooden rod sets or even DIY versions might provide similar basic learning, but they often lack the precision or durability of these rods. For a child seriously exploring math concepts beyond counting, these rods offer a clear advantage. So here's the bottom line. hand2mind Cuisenaire rods deliver a well-crafted, visually intuitive way to help kids move from concrete counting to abstract math thinking. They're durable, versatile, and straightforward to use, though the lack of a storage solution and a slightly slippery feel might be minor drawbacks for some. If you want a dependable math manipulative that supports a broad range of learning stages, these rods do the job without any fuss. Perfect for parents and educators wanting to make math hands-on and understandable. Thanks so much for watching. You'll find the link to get your own set down in the comments. If you've used Cuisenaire rods before, or these in particular, drop your thoughts or questions below. I'd love to hear how they worked for your little learner. Until next time, keep growing those bright minds from baby to child.